ఒక చిన్న శిక్షణ ప్రాణాలను కాపాడుతుంది. ఇది ప్రతి పౌరుడు తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన ముఖ్యమైన విషయం. సడన్గా హార్ట్ అటాక్ వస్తే ఏం చేయాలో అమెరికాలోని తెలుగు స్టూడెంట్ అంజలి చేసిన వీడియో ఇది. దీనిని చూస్తే మీరు కూడా ప్రాణాలను కాపాడిన వారవుతారు.
I am Anjali, founder of Vital Squad, an organization driven by a mission that holds the potential to save lives. Our purpose is to empower individuals, especially students, with vital life-saving skills by teaching them the essentials of CPR. This cause is deeply personal to me. I can still recall the panic and despair when my father suffered a heart attack in the comfort of our home. In that moment, I dialed 911. Thankfully, we received swift medical attention. This life-altering experience made me realize the harsh reality that cardiac emergencies can strike anytime, any place, and not everyone is so fortunate. It inspired me to start this mission, driven by the belief that the knowledge of how to respond can often be the difference between life and death. Every year, thousands of lives are lost due to sudden cardiac arrests, and many of these tragedies could have been prevented if more people were trained in CPR. In India alone, we face a staggering statistic. An estimated 6 lakh people succumb to cardiac death every year, yet only 3% of the population is trained in CPR. Survival rates improve dramatically when CPR is administered immediately. Keeping the circulation and oxygen flowing gives an individual a fighting chance until professional help arrives. At Vital Squad, we believe that the knowledge is power. Through engaging workshops, hands-on training, partnering with various organizations, we strive to make CPR accessible, understandable, and impactful. During the training, participants will learn about the importance of CPR, how to identify those in need of CPR, and the proper steps to perform effective CPR. Training will be conducted using mannequins with advanced feedback mechanisms to ensure the correct techniques are being emphasized. Our goal is not just to teach a skill. We are passionate about equipping young people with the knowledge to share and the confidence to take action when it is needed the most. So I invite each of you to join the squad. Thank you for your time, attention, and commitment.